Your AI agent becomes your personal field sales assistant. Upward, the mobile app built for field sales teams, supports your entire field workflow. For visit planning, AI Scheduler proposes the optimal plan by considering priority and travel time. This greatly streamlines your daily preparation. At the client site, AI Speech detects your arrival, automatically records the conversation, summarizes it, and drafts your activity report. Based on your preset rules, unnecessary conversations and personal information are automatically removed, ensuring secure and confident use. After the visit, simply tap the notification you received to review the auto-generated report. It summarizes the recording by key sections, allowing you to make quick edits and register it to your CRM directly from your mobile app. For items you want to register, such as business cards, application forms, or even signage, simply take a photo. AI extracts the necessary text and immediately registers it to your CRM. Aggregation and visualization are automated as well. Your activity data reveals each representative's patterns and strengths, enabling more effective management. As more data accumulates, accuracy improves and visit plans become individually optimized, enabling more strategic field activities. With Upward, planning, reporting, analysis, and utilization come together in a seamless cycle. Your AI agent becomes your personal field sales assistant. Upward.